got in my hands today are the new clubs from Benross. So we've got 3 irons, we have a 5, a 7 and a 9 in their Compressor Type R iron. So Type R is a pretty interesting club. I've taken it away and already tried it. So it comes in the KBS Tour 90 shafts with the lambkin grips. So a premium product at a very reasonable price so far. So what we have is a slot on the bottom, some cut face technology, and an all-round generally good looking club. So what we're going to do today is have a look at how the Type R goes. We're going to use the Protracer software to try and show some flights and distances, and generally just see how we are finding them. So we'll start with the 7 iron. So the 7 iron is lofted at 30 degrees, which is quite strong. We'll have a look at how they look and feel. So starting with the 7 iron, so this is the Compressor Type R driver, medium to thick top lines, not a lot of offset on it, and actually a really good looking club. So it's just got a slight brushed satin sort of feel on it, so we'll see how this goes. Flies high, didn't catch it great. Yeah, so 172 carry, so decent. So it's 30 degrees in loft, so quite strong, but maybe not by modern standards. Again, put that one a little bit better. So 103 mile ball speed. Again, 170 carry, so pretty strong. So let's see what they're like to try and fly it differently. So try and hit a little fade. Yeah. So again, struck quite well. Yeah, 174 carry, so 7 iron, quite a long club. Sounds quite tingy, but I quite like that one. We'll try it in the 5 iron. Okay, so let's have a look at how that flies. Again, not a lot of offset, a little bit of club out the back. A little fat. Yeah, so only 181. Again, looking down at it, it's a very good looking club. It's got a lot of shape feel, I'd say. Well, good for me. Interesting how far it's gone. So again, launch well, nice penetrating flight, 182 yards. Let's crank it to what? So 200 yards with 5 iron. Pretty well. Nice and high, I think you can. Yeah, so 191 carry there, so again, decent looking club. It certainly goes, and very nice sound. So let's try it with the wedge. And the pitching wedge. Again, it looks like you've seen a lot of loft on it. Again, nice shaft. KBS Tour 90. feels nice. Again, they feel very soft, which is quite appealing. Again, although they're strong lofted, they don't feel too strong. So that's got 127 yards over the pitch wedge. So again, maybe the lofts are quite strong, but again, they feel very, very nice. Yeah, I think I could play that all day. So 137 carry, getting quite long. But again, if we can get your gapping right, we can also ignore what's on the bottom of the club and just get the set as we would like it. Right, one last one. So 139 yards there with a pitching wedge. First impressions is that they look amazing, they sound very, very good, and more importantly, they feel like a premium product. So we've got the KVS 490 shaft in it, we've got a really soft feeling head that looks really, really good. I will bag these and see how they go and how they go and roll my scores, because I think if we get the gapping right and almost ignore the number on the bottom, actually they could be quite appealing, and they definitely have this shock appeal that you may take off the shelf. So take a look at the links below, have a look, and definitely try out Benross. So if you've not seen them before, maybe this could be your next club. We're doing some tests with them against some of their other lines and see are they a club that is going to suit you. But for me, it is definitely an iron that I would like to use, because it is potentially the best feeling iron that I've hit so far. So thanks for watching. Again, like and subscribe to the videos, and check out Benross.